Hi guys, Joe here. This video is a little bit different. So I bought this in America. It's the Stewart Survival Snare Kit. This comes in the set and it's very useful. This shows you how to set up loads of snares and traps with this kit and outside of this kit. So that's a good 23-minute video. So I recommend watching that one. This kit here. So again, this is all, you can't do this in the UK, but again, this is more of a survival practice kind of thing. I wouldn't actually harm any animals, but I'll say that on camera before we all gets crazy in the comment section. But this is part of, part of Bushcraft. I did put this paper clip on there. I forgot I put that on there. Let me just untangle that. 2 seconds. I opened it up, had a look, and then I was like, I can't get it back in the box. So, 2 seconds. Right, there we go. So, you get 2 of these. So, I'll put closer pictures of it. There you go. And then that's the end. Right. So, this one here, when it sets, it does tighten right down. Really, really good. Very well. No problems with that. I was messing about with this at home, but this does tie down really well. So I do like this little lock on there. So you get 2 of those. You get some snare wire. You get some more of these type, which don't have the metal clips on the end. It's just normal loop. Again, these are all well made. All have that the bit that tightens down, so the more the animal fights it, the tighter it gets. They also have this here. 2 seconds. My hands don't work as good as they used to. So you see that looks like a Grim Survival card. I have done a video just showing them about the Bushcraft cards. But the video goes into great detail on how to set this up and how to use this. Get a little closer. So it's like how to bend stuff with this corner here, how to use the saw, how to set up the triggers, this bit here for setting traps, bending knees for these snares, loads of information on there, which is really good. As far as bushcraft goes and trapping and all that kind of stuff, I think you can't really get the stuff in the UK, and I really don't have it. I'm trying to set up a nice, all-around kit, but when it comes to that sort of stuff, I really didn't have anything. I've done this kind of stuff before, as in just practicing making it and stuff, but not actually setting it up to hurt any animals. But again, it's part of bushcraft. Some people don't think it is, but and to everyone, bushcraft's a bit different. But that's my take on it. So I just wanted to show you this all-around kit. Again, some Stewart Survival Snare Kit. I paid for this. He didn't sponsor me or anything, so this is off my own back. Again, just something out there I wanted to show you. So if you're in America, you can get this over there. The guys in the UK, sorry, everything, there's no really good stuff. All the good stuff's in America at the moment. But that's been like that for years. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you like survival snare kits and traps and all that kind of stuff? You think that's part of bushcraft? And also, what do you think about Creek Williams' set here? What would you add to this? It does, once you put this in there, this is a pretty compact full kit. So I do give him credit for that. All right, that's it. Let me know in the comment section, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you next video. Bye.